Good morning Team Bly and a very warm welcome to Celebration Assembly for this week. It's been a brilliant week this week at school. We've seen lots more children return to us from the year groups where the children are eligible to come back, and it's been brilliant to see them and their smiley faces and such an array of happy parents as well. So it's been great to see them back. It's also been brilliant to see that the online learning is still taking place so effectively as well. So congratulations and well done to all of you. Let's have a see then who has made it into Celebration Assembly this week. Okay, so Key Stage 1 Assembly, and we'll start this week, we'll mix it up a little bit. I think we'll start with Year 2 this week. So we will start in Horwthorn class, and this is an achievement badge for someone in Horwthorn, and it's for Charlie. Very, very well done, Charlie. And it says of you here that you've been working really hard at home and uploading all of your works onto Teams, that we have all been really impressed with how all your learning has been going and how hard you have been working. So very well done, Charlie, and that achievement badge will be on its way to you. Now let's see what clap we have for you. And it is a crocodile. Well done, Charlie. Hope everyone's joining in. Amazing stuff. We're going to move on to Sycamora class next, and it's another achievement badge, and this is for Jake. Very, very well done, Jake. Mrs. Coxedge says of you that you've been trying really hard with your work at home, and you're now producing some wonderful work that you've been submitting back to school. So very, very well done, Jake. That badge will be on its way to you, and let's see what clap you have. And it's going to be a marshmallow. Well done, Jake. Okay. Miss Williams class next, and Chestnut, and this is another achievement badge, and this is for Jessica. Well done, Jessica, and this is because you've been working so incredibly hard on every task that is set, and we are all very, very proud of you. Well done, Jessica. That badge will be on its way to you, and let's see what clap you have. And it is a marshmallow clap. Well done, well done. Moving into Year 1 then. And let's see what Year 1 have been up to. And this is Willow class. This is Miss Clark. And this is for Fraser. Well done, Fraser. And this badge is it's an achievement badge because of your amazing handwriting. Before we went into lockdown, Fraser was attempting cursive script and cursive writing. However, you've now come back to school and you are completely joining up your handwriting, which is fabulous. A true lockdown legend. Very, very well done. Let's see what clap is going to go alongside your achievement badge, Fraser. And it is a train. Choo 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 choo. Very well done. What an amazing, amazing achievement. Okay, we're going to move into Rowen class next. Mr. Gentry has actually done 2 nominations this week. The first is an achievement badge, and this is for Lily. Very well done, Lily. Mr. Gentry says of you, Lily has been working really hard in class. She's effortlessly adapted to the new classroom layout and is working without some of her closest friends. Lily always shows confidence in her learning and takes pride in her progress. This week, Lily has been working on her adjectives and similes in English, as well as fractions in maths. Lily is also working hard on maintaining her listening. Well done, Lily. That's an amazing achievement since you've been back with us, Lily. Well done. Let's have a look and see what clap is going to go alongside your badge. And it's a microwave. Me. Very well done, Lily. Okay, and the next one is a resilience badge, still in Rowen class, and this is for Diane. And Mr. Gentry writes about you that you've shown fantastic resilience in your home learning, that you've impressed with your work that you've been sharing on Teams, and has been doing some fantastic learning in her phonics, maths and English. Fantastic effort, well done, and keep it up. A resilience badge is on its way to you, and let's see what clap will go along with that. And it is a marshmallow. Very well done. So, Miss Foster's class next, and this is an achievement badge. And this is for someone who's come back to school with an amazing attitude to learning, and it's for Charlie. And it says here that you're always trying your very best to do the best work you can, making sure you're concentrating on your work. You're always careful to form your letters and numbers correctly too. You've also learnt over lockdown about Titanic, and you're able to teach Miss Foster about it. You're a real superstar. Well done, Charlie, and keep up the fantastic work. I definitely I agree with an achievement badge for you there. That's amazing, Charlie. Well done. And let's see what clap is going to go along with that. And it is a crocodile clap. Well done. Okay, moving into R now, I believe. Okay, and we are in Miss Smith's class. And Miss Smith has actually put 2 nominations forward this week. So the first one in Bay Bubble, because they've been having such a fantastic week, is for, it's an achievement badge, and it's for Frank. And the reason, Frank, that Miss Smith has nominated you is because of the work you've been doing with the evil P coming into Bay Class and causing trouble. Frank decided he needed to write a letter to evil P and used his phonics and tricky words to tell him never to come back again. Rightly so. Well done, Frank. I and we are so proud of you. Well done, Frank. And let's see what clap is coming your way. And it is a train. Choo 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 choo. Well done, Frank. Staying with Miss Smith, second nomination is an achievement badge, and this is for Rafaels. And this is because of some of the great work that you've been doing, especially with your phonics. You've been working independently and writing tricky words. We are all very proud of you. Very well done. And let's see what clap will go alongside it. And it is microwave. Me. Very well done. Moving into Mrs. Lana's class, and this is for Birch and Birch Bubble, and the nomination for an empathy badge is Sophia. Very well done. And your teacher writes of you, Sophia, that you've made new friends in her bubble and always comes into school smiling and ready to join her peers in activities. Keep up the positive attitude. I couldn't agree more. And an empathy badge is on its way to you, but let's see what clap we're going to celebrate with you together. And it is a marshmallow clap. Well done. Okay, Miss Gray's class next. And this is the last one. This is Conifer class. And this is for someone who has been putting, it's an achievement badge, been putting 100% effort into all of their learning. It's for Felicity. Very well done, Felicity. And Miss Gray writes about you that you've put 100% effort into all of your learning this week, completing all of your challenges in class. You've been doing an outstanding job with your phonics, sounding out long, challenging words in our reading and writing. You've created a fantastic wanted poster for the missing aliens and have been doing a great job measuring the aliens' footprint. Keep up the great work. There's some brilliant learning going on in Key Stage 1 this week. Let's see, Felicity, what clap is going to join you with that badge. And it is... it's a fairy clap. Very, very well done. So that's the end of our celebration assembly for another week. Brilliant to see your in-school and at-home learning team. Very well done, and I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon.